Hi, Jack. How are you today?
I'm great, Anna. I just finished my homework.
That's good. What do you do after homework?
I usually play games or watch movies.
Oh, nice. What kind of games do you like?
I like football games and racing games.
Cool. Do you play them every day?
Not every day, maybe 3 times a week.
That sounds fun. Do you play alone or with friends?
I play online with my friends. We talk and play together.
That's a great way to relax and connect.
Yes. What about you, Anna? What are your hobbies?
I love reading books and painting.
Painting? That's interesting. What do you like to paint?
I like to paint nature, trees, mountains, and the ocean.
Wow, that sounds beautiful. How often do you paint?
I paint on weekends when I have free time.
That's nice. Do you paint with watercolors or oil?
Mostly watercolors. They're soft and easy to use.
Do you sell your paintings?
Not really. I just keep them at home. Painting makes me happy.
That's a good reason. I think hobbies help people feel relaxed.
Exactly. Hobbies make life more colorful.
I want to have more hobbies. Maybe I should start drawing too.
You should. Drawing is fun and creative.
But I'm not very good at it.
That's okay. You don't need to be perfect. Just enjoy the process.
True. How did you learn to paint?
I started when I was 10. My mom gave me my first brush.
That's sweet. Did she teach you?
Yes, she loves art too. We used to paint together every Sunday.
That's a lovely memory.
Yes, I miss those days.
Besides painting, do you have other hobbies?
Yes, I also like hiking. I love walking in nature.
Hiking sounds exciting. Do you go alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends.
Where do you usually go hiking?
There's a mountain near my town. It's quiet and beautiful.
That's great. I want to try hiking too.
You should. It's good for your body and mind.
My hobbies are more indoor.
That's okay. Everyone has different interests.
I also like listening to music.
Oh, what kind of music do you like?
I love pop music. My favorite singer is Ed Sheeran.
Nice choice. His songs are very popular.
Yes, I like Perfect and Shape of You.
Me too. Do you sing along?
Sometimes, but I'm not a good singer.
That's fine. Singing makes people happy.
Do you like music too, Anna?
Yes, I do. I like jazz and classical music.
Jazz? That's relaxing.
Yes, I often listen to jazz when I paint. It helps me focus.
That's a good idea. I'll try that when I draw.
Great. Music and art go well together.
Do you ever dance?
A little. I like dancing for fun, not seriously.
Same here. I dance when I'm happy or when my favorite song plays.
That's wonderful. Dance is also a good hobby.
Yes, it makes me feel free.
So, Jack, what's your favorite hobby of all?
I think it's playing football.
Oh, you play real football too?
Yes, I play every Sunday with my friends.
That's great exercise. Do you play in a team?
Just a small group. We play for fun, not for competition.
That's the best way to enjoy a hobby.
What's your favorite hobby, Anna?
I think painting is still my favorite. It helps me relax after work.
I understand. It's important to do something you love.
Exactly. Hobbies give balance to life.
That's true. Maybe I'll learn a new hobby this month.
That's a great idea. What hobby are you thinking about?
Maybe cooking. I want to learn to cook Italian food.
Oh, that's wonderful. Cooking is a useful and creative hobby.
Yes, and I love pasta.
Me too. Maybe next time we can talk about food hobbies.
Sure, I'll bring some pasta then.
Deal.
Thank you, Anna. I learned many new words today.
You're welcome, Jack. Remember, practice makes perfect.
I will practice. And maybe draw something tonight?
That's great. Have fun and enjoy your new hobby.
Thanks. See you next class.
See you, Jack.